My perfect weekend would involve an escape to a cozy cabin in the woods, surrounded by nature. I'd spend my time hiking, reading, and unwinding by a crackling fireplace. It's all about disconnecting from the busy world and reconnecting with myself.
I'm a city person, so my ideal weekend would be exploring the bustling streets of a new city. I'd visit museums, eat in good restaurants, and get lost in the urban rhythm. There's something magical about city weekends.
A perfect weekend for me is all about fitness. I'd join group workouts, and maybe even participate in a run. Being active and healthy is what I enjoy.
A perfect weekend, in my opinion, is one in which I can fully dedicate myself to my hobbies. I would dedicate my time to painting, playing music, and working on personal projects. Creative expression is my weekend sanctuary.
In my opinion, the perfect weekend would involve staying at home, doing absolutely nothing and watching my favorite movies and TV shows. I find solace in the comfort of my own space, where I can fully relax without any external pressures or obligations.
For me, a perfect weekend is all about adventure. I would go to the nearest beach with my surfboard, catching waves, sunbathing and enjoying beach bonfires with friends. It's all about the emotion of the ocean.
My ideal weekend involves exploring the culinary scene. I would visit food festivals, try new restaurants, and maybe even take cooking classes. Food is my passion.
My perfect weekend is one where I could immerse myself in reading. I would spend hours in a cozy corner, lost in the world of books, and drink countless cups of tea. Reading is my ultimate escape.
In my opinion, the perfect weekend for me would revolve around cultural exploration, going to the theater and immersing myself in the arts. Exploring different cultures and their artistic expressions is not only intellectually stimulating but also deeply enriching.
A perfect weekend, for me, would be a spiritual retreat. I would meditate, practice yoga, and focus on self-reflection. It's about finding inner peace and balance in a busy world.
For me, the perfect weekend is one full of sports, playing a football match with friends, watching a great football game and ending Sunday with a barbecue.
In my opinion, the perfect weekend would involve spending quality time with family and playing with the kids. Whether it's a family movie night, a fun outdoor adventure, or simply playing games together at home, these moments are precious.
Nothing makes me happier than grabbing my backpack and exploring new cities and cultures. My perfect weekend would involve a flight to somewhere exotic.
Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. We are always happy to create new content for you.